Good morning, Beaconsfield, Buckinghamshire and beyond. I hope all is well with you. It's me, Sherina Balaratnam here, founder and medical director of the S-Thetics Clinic in Beaconsfield in beautiful Old Town. It is a beautiful day out here in the Shire, heading into clinic, and I'm so looking forward to an amazing Thursday ahead with amazing patients. Now, I want to give a very special mention to all of the team at the Daily Mail for placing a beautiful feature on Exomind in your health section. And on that note, I also want to say a very special mention to journalist Anjana Gosai for that feature. Thank you so much for featuring Exomind by BTL together with me, Anjana, for being the first journalist in the UK to have a whole series of Exomind treatments with me. Now, capturing the piece was really critical to the understanding on how Exomind benefits emotional well-being and emotional health and brain health. So I want to go back to last June when I first heard about Exomind by BTL, and it was about 2 years prior to that I started really thinking about our patient trends, our patient presentations, especially since lockdown. Emotional well-being was coming down, burnout was on the rise, overwhelm, but what I found was people were normalizing their burnout and overwhelm, and that had become the new norm. And with the rise in our autonomic nervous systems just kind of like renormalizing every single year of overwhelm within our own systems, as they always say, the body holds the score. So how do we process that when our brain is getting more foggy, more cluttered, and decision fatigue is just, on the rise? Neuroplasticity was really what it was about, the topic of my event in 2023. So that's been going on for quite a while. So here in the clinic, we've been practicing regenerative medicine, longevity medicine, care of the elderly, geriatrics for years, 10 years to be fair. And I guess coming from a background of 23 uncles and aunties, more than 60, 70 cousins, we just kind of got on with things. But, here in a new generation, in a new world, it's a little bit different, and that's just how it is. So we think of ways, social interaction, intergenerational communications and connections. We think about being in nature, journaling, meditation, binaural frequencies, om, praying, gratitude, unprocessed foods, all of those things coming together, which play a part in emotional well-being, great parenting, not having too many childhood traumas. It's all of it. And we build in neuroplastic events deliberately into the clinic: touch therapy, lymphatic drainage, Luma light therapy, decompression, oxygen therapy with intraceuticals, and all the BTL technologies. It's longevity medicine every day. So yes, from December last year, I have had 6 treatments, and I feel exactly the same way my patients do. We're all human beings, we're all normal. And Anjana Gosai has, Mr. S-Thetics has, and many of our friends and family too, and our patients. From those who are burnt out and overwhelmed to just want to make better decisions. Insomnia, those who are insomniac, don't just blame it on the menopause, it's more than that. And if you don't manage your insomnia, you have a 30% increased risk of developing early onset dementia. I don't want that to my 65-year-old corporates who are so mindful that we all have an increased risk of dementia at a later age, or cognitive decline, whatever shape or form that is. There's so many spectrums of it that they want to protect their brain aging so that when they're 80 and 90, they're performing at top levels. So thank you, Daily Mail. Thank you, Anjana Gosai. Thank you to BTL for creating Exomind. It's one of our top treatments right now, and I'm privileged to bring it to you right here in Beaconsfield. Have a great day.